YouTube? It's your girl, you know who, what, wife, love, luxury, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is just going to be on some items that I picked up while I was gone. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this. Some of this stuff that I purchased came from the Apple store. Another one came from Amazon, and the other one came from Macys. So let's do this. So the first one I'm going to show you is just some simple something I picked out that I am loving. And here's the bag. And the first thing that I picked up was the HomePod Mini. When I tell you, you guys, that this speaker is the bomb, it's the bomb. All you have to do is just say, hey Siri, play whatever you want it to play. Ask Siri a question. It just does whatever you say you want it to do. So, your girl is loving this here. Okay? So, the next thing that I picked up was these here. The Apple AirPods Pro wireless charging case and the earpods. And what I can say about this ear is that I do love it also. And the reason why is it does what it says it does. It takes the noise away from what you're listening. I mean, it takes away the noise that surrounds you while you're listening to something. So I like that. I like the fact that it reads me my text messages. It also asks me, is there something else that I want to do after I either decline the call or take the call? It just... it's the bomb. It's better than the other ones that I had. I think which was maybe the second ones that came out. Yeah. So your girl is in heaven right now with her electronics. Okay. So the next thing is I ordered this here from Amazon, and this actually just literally came. And because I wanted to open it up, I was like, let me go and share this real quick and do this video so that I can get it started. Okay. So I ordered some 2 cases to go with this here, which is the AirPods. They fit so comfortable in your ear. I just love it. So the first thing that I ordered was this right here. It is a marble case off of Amazon. And I want to say it was $3.99. But here it go right here. Hopefully you can see it. It's marble. They got tape on it, so I can't open it. But yeah, that's that there. This is the back of it. And you just slide it right on in, and you'll have your marble look. Okay. Now this next one I am truly excited about. And this is something that I will have to keep away from RJ. If you don't know who RJ is my heart. That is my grandbaby. The only one that I have so far. And he's a little booger. He keeps you busy. So, the next case that I got was this one here. I am in love, you guys. I know. Ain't that freaking cute? So let's open it up and get it started. So here is the bottom of the shoe. You just stick this over in it, and then you put this on top of it, and you have a shoe. Ain't that neat? So yes, and then you can put your key thing on it like that. It's a nice little weight to it. I just love it. It's just freaking cute. So yes, this will have to be put up from RJ because I can already tell he will try to get it. And then to charge it, you don't even have to take it all out of the shoe or anything. You just plug it in right there. And there it is. So that is that. Now this next one came today also. Let me tell you the story on this. I purchased this because I had my eye, and I still have my eye on the name brand one that looks like this. But because I am a person who like book bags and a medium size, I wanted to see if this small size will work out for me. This item was on sale at Macy's for $79. Your girl got it for, okay, it was $79, and with tax, no, it was $70, and with tax it came to like 82 something, but of course I didn't pay that. No, 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 ma'am, I did not. No, sir, I did not. Your girl paid $62 for it, and with tax it was like 70 something, okay? So let's get into it. I'm hoping that I do like this, because if I like this, then I will order the one that's just like it. I don't want to say the name because I want you to see it first, and then you'll understand what I'm talking about. And the one that I want is anywhere from 12 to, I want to say maybe 18, depending on where you get it from. I know Fashion File has it for between those prices or whatever. So what I picked out was, what I'm trying out, let's say that. Now my mom did also get one, and she got it in like a gold color. I am a play it safe person, black, gray, that's me. So what I picked up was this here. This is by Steve Madden. It also has this here. And if you know your luxury brands, you know this similar to the Prada. On here, on the thing, it says C1 1990 MCM XC on the strap. So I wanted to see if this size will work for me. I didn't want to pay the between $1,200 and $1,500, and it didn't work for me, and then I have to send it back, and I ain't got time for that. I didn't want to go through all that. So we're just going to try this one out. If it works, then we'll go for that one, okay? So this is what it looks like on the inside. It has the silver chain, and your girl is strictly a black and silver type kind of person. Let's see if I can make it where you can see it on me like it's a crossbody and give you an idea. So hopefully you can see it. And see right here it says Steve Madden, and it's in silver. And then on here it just has the S and the M symbol right there. So I want to see if this works out for me. If it works, then you know what your girl gonna do, right? She gonna order the product, okay? So we testing the water. That's what we gonna say we doing. We testing the water, okay? It do have a pocket on the inside. On the side right here, I'm not for sure if the Prada has one or not. I haven't did that much investigation, but trust and believe I will be doing an investigation. Okay, now let's just see my little shoe. Do it go in there? Yes, it do. Okay, here's my phone, my 12 Pro Max. Does that go in there? Yes, it do. Okay, let's see. My ear pods. Oh, okay. Okay, we're going to say my ear pods is in here, even though it's in the shoe. We definitely know that fit in there. You could put some keys in there, maybe some lip gloss, and you're good. You're good. I think I'm going to be good. So, I'm going to test this out this weekend and see how it feels, and if I like it when I put some jeans on or some shorts on, and we're going to go from there. A little cross, you know, little chain here. You guys, I am loving it so far. So, with me saying that I love it, you know what that means, right? You know, because I know. Your girl's going to get the Prada one, okay? And the Prada one might even be a little bit bigger. Not sure on the dimensions, but I just knew it looked like the Prada, so I wanted to test the water. Now this here, I probably will put my keys in here because I only have one key on my bins. So I think it'll just fit in here comfortably. I don't have to dig in here for the key. It's all kind of ways that you can work this. So we're going to test it out. And once I test it out, I will come back and I'll let you know what your girl did. If I don't decide to just go ahead and order it, you know me. Because I know me, okay? But with that being said, let's see, what else have your girl been up to? I did some new things to my bins. I changed my grill out. I put the logo star that lights up on my bins. I'll show you that in the next video when it gets dark on the next video, because I can go out there and show you that, you know, the emerald, if you don't know what I'm talking about. And I do have some more videos coming up, and one of my videos, Mr. RJ will be appearing again, so stay tuned for that. We all know how he is, so that should be interesting. And with me saying all that, I want to say your girl is glad to be back. I had to take a break. I had things going on. I just had a lot. It was just a lot, so I had to cut down for a minute, but I'm back. And for the subscribers that just subscribed to my channel, thank you. I want to hope that y'all will help me grow my channel. Remember to leave me a comment down below. Give me thumbs up. I do answer my comments. And with that, you guys, all I can say is your girl is out.